A lovely and charmful morning to all my dear students. Dear students, before starting our day, we should always pray to God because He is the only one who helps us in all the ways, and we should thank to God in good situations and in bad situations also. Let's have a good thought for today. The thought is start today with a grateful heart. We should start our day with a lovely heart and we should have good wishes for all of them, for everybody. As you know, or as per schedule, it's our English class is there and the date is 31st July and day is Friday. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is, am, are. I know that you have studied about the same in your previous class also. But as you have grown up, you are in class 2. So according to that, a little bit level of our class has been increased. So let's start our class. Firstly, read these sentences after me. Ram is a good boy. He is playing. She is going to market. I am a good boy or I am a good girl. We are cooking. They are enjoying their online classes. Radha and Meena are talking. You observe something that in these sentences I am using is, am, are. But there is a confusion that how we will use these words and where we will use these words is, am, and are. As you have already studied pronouns like he, she, it, I, we, they, these were pronouns and the pronouns used at the place of a noun. So let us know that where we will use is, am, and are. First of all, we will learn the use of is. Is used when we talk about a person, an animal, or a thing. Means when we are talking about only one. That can be a person, that can be an animal, or a thing also. As you can see, there are many pictures on the screen, and these pictures are of boy, dog, a car, and a girl. So I can use sentence, this is a boy. Only one boy is there, so for that we will use is. The dog is barking. There also only one dog, so we will use is for one animal. Neha is happy and it is a car. The pictures that you are seeing on your screen, they are only one. Dog is one, boy is one, car is one, and the girl is also one. So every one thing, whether it is an animal or a person or a thing, we will use is. Okay, so is used when we talk about only one person, one animal, or one thing. Next, am. Am is used with I, and I will be written in capital. Whether we are using I in the center of the sentence or we are using in the first, but I should be always capital. And with I, we will use am. What is I? I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. Yes. So with I, we have to use am. And here, girl. What is a girl? We studied about nouns also. So girl is a noun. Is the girl is common noun or proper noun? Yes, you are right, my dear students. Girl is a common noun. Means girl can be any girl. If we will give a special name, for example, Radha, Meena, or any other, then the name of that particular person is a proper noun. So the girl is noun, common noun. Next sentence is I am happy today. What we are using here? Am. But with what we will use am? Definitely we will use am with I. Whenever you use to speak about yourself, then you use I am a boy or I am a girl. I study in this class. Yes or no? Yes. So am is used with I. Next is are. Are is used when we talk about two or more than two people, animals, and things. Are is used for more than one person, thing, or animal. Here, three pictures are showing on your screen. In the first picture, there are so many birds, and there is one more picture in that three books are there, and the last picture, three children. So we can use the sentence for this. There are three books on the table, and second is birds are flying in the sky, and children are going to school. If only one book will be there, then we will use is. And if there is only one bird, then we will use is. Why? Because is used for one person, one thing, and one animal. And are is used for two or more than two people, two animal, or more than two things. So, I hope the concept is clear to you. Today's our concept was is, am, and are. Again, I am revising this. Is used for only one. Am we will use always with I. And I always it will be written in capital. And are is used for two or more than two people, animals, or things. Dear students, you have to do practice for the same, because as much as you will do practice, you will be able to learn. And I know that you all are good students and you are doing well job, and you will listen to your teacher and your parents very nicely. And yes, I want to appreciate the students who have submitted their notebooks, and the work was very nice. I want to speak some names like Zoravar. He has done his work very nicely and his writing is improved. Tejveer, he has also completed his work, and more students are also there. So I request you all that you do your work in neat and clean handwriting, because if you will do better job, your ma'am will appreciate you and you will be happy and ma'am will be happy. So till then, have a great day. Enjoy your classes. Thank you.